Yes, go ahead.
Sorry, my mouse wasn't working. Uh, uh, I have a question, but I believe someone wrote a question on the chat window.
Mm-hmm.
Let me check real quick. Yes. So it says, Shalom Kavod Harav. May Hashem bless you with speedy refuah shlema.
Amen. Thank you.
Question. In the weekly parashat, Moshe Rabbeinu gave blessing for the tribes, and some blessings seem to be better than others. I wonder why is this the case? Besides the tribe of Levi, is there a spiritual level difference amongst the tribes?
Is it spiritual level? Of course, there is spiritual difference in level between the tribes. As we said many times in our clips, not the Jews are all equal. So Levi have a higher spiritual level than other people, Levites and Kohanim, because why Kohanim serve in a temple and other people are not allowed to serve in a temple, right? Maybe even the bigger scholarly, holier people does not make any difference. So it's hereditary. So Kohanim have a bigger sanctity than other people. You understand? And same with Levi. So that's that they have to have different blessings. So our other people, as we spoke yesterday, who decided they're going to work all their life and not to be very spiritual, just do the minimum. So they don't need all the spiritual blessings, I guess. Even if they get, it's going to go to no use. You understand? So it's like a person who works 10 hours a day and commutes back and forth 1.5 hours each way. And he buys himself the whole library of the books. Is he going to read it? Most likely not. He's going to be so tired after his work that he would not have any energy. So this money that he spent, it's like almost waste money. And I saw people that have like pristine books, like never ever open the book. Never, like perfect. Everything is perfect, like just from the store or from the box that they receive on internet. They put it on the shelf and they stay on the shelf. So it's a waste of books. I mean, it's good for the authors, for the publishing, but what do they accomplish? Yeah, but if somebody is a Talmid Chacham, he's trying to learn. They're trying to learn. So yeah, so for these people, it's a big blessing to have a book. Why? Because they're going to read it once and twice, and are going to teach other people from that book. That's the difference. You understand? So that's why, yeah, Yehuda had to be kings. So kings meaning what? You have a special character traits and special people that could be qualified as a king. Not everybody could be a king. So a different blessing. So Moshe gave each tribe different blessing according to their character traits, according to their how they're going to serve Hashem, in what capacity. Okay. What else? Did we answer the question? So please tell me. Yes.
Yeah, I think so.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right. So that's so not everybody equal. So for me, for example, the electrician, right? He would get blessing to get a contract with the city, right? For me to get electric contract with the city, I don't know. I would not know what to do. For me, it's a headache to find somebody to get him involved. Like for me, it's almost like a curse. For him, it's a blessing that he can marry all his 17 children. But for me, like, why would I need that? So, but Hashem through Moshe Rabbeinu, very, very specific, very, very particular what each person needs. Okay. What else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
Board again. It says, Shalom Kol Harav. Given the spiritual status of Ephraim and Menashe, are on the level of the tribe forefathers.
Mm-hmm.
Or it says the tribe forefathers.
Yes, yeah, the tribe of forefathers, like
yes,
like Yehuda and Levi, yeah. Mm-hmm.
And says, why does the Torah always mention 12 tribes instead of 13?
or 12 tribes instead of the 13, because there are 12 tribes. And when we say it's very good question. So when we say Ephraim and Menashe, meaning when we apportion the land, the pieces of land in Eretz Israel, it's apportioned to 12 tribes. Because why? Levi did not get anything. Levi did not get any pieces of land. So it's Levi was excluded. And Hashem said, I'm going to take care of them. How? That's why we have these 24 priestly gifts given to a Kohen, so from a Levi tribe, and other gifts are like from a truma, right? So from 5 grains, from wine, from olive oil. So we have to give that 2%. We have to give to truma to the Kohen, and then 10%. To the Levi, so it's like Levi gets from like free food in some sense, right? So Hashem said, "It's mine. You give it to me." So consider it. It's not. Forget about this Levi. Meaning you're not giving to Levi. You give it to me, and I'm going to give to whoever I want, and I'm assigning you like to give it to Levi. It's like somebody gives you a check, and it's possible for you to reassign this check to somebody else. So somebody give you a check for $100. So he owes you $100, and you said, okay, I owe this plumber $100. I can give him a check that was addressed to me, but I reassigned to him. There is no problem. You understand? So that's how it works. So like how many tribes? Is 12 tribes, because Yosef is a one tribe, right? But how many portions? The land of Israel was apportioned 12 tribes. Why? Because Levi did not get. So like no contradiction. Same math, but different calculations. Okay, what else?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So we have another question on the board. It says, thank you so much, Kabbalah. Additional question about the 12 tribes.
Okay.
I wonder if the 12 tribes are related to the 12 zodiac signs or constellations.
Yeah, there is a connection for sure. Yeah, there is a connection. Yeah. So what is what if you ask what is the connection? I would not remember. I remember learning it's in the Medrash Rabbah, but what is the exact connection? I would not remember. But there is a connection, yes.
So would that mean that each and every one of the sons of Yaakov Avinu kind of was born during the time of this Hebrew months, perhaps?
No. I don't think so. No.
That is very interesting.